All right, guys. All right, guys. This is actually why we're here today. Today we're going to show you how to repair this really annoying issue that the 350Z and first gen G35 have. The part that we're going to be replacing here is actually under $100 for each door from Nissan. We have a new one right here that we're going to be installing. But first, let's go ahead and pop the door panel off. We're going to pull this old one out, and then we'll show you where the wear is and why we're changing this thing. Oh shit. All right, now we've got the door panel off. Make sure when you take it off, you're really careful with these cables as they're really easy to break. This is for your little door handle release and lock. Just tuck those out of the way for now. And we're actually gonna be pulling the speaker out of the speaker hole. We're not gonna touch any of the window components here. We're gonna be able to access this guy really easily once this speaker's out of here. All right. And just for the sake of not unhooking it, going to use a magnet to hold it up there. Going to get a 10 millimeter, and I've got a little 1/4 inch drive ratchet here. I'm going to remove these 2 bolts. And get an extension. And remove this one on the body. Make sure that you keep up with these bolts as you go, because you're going to be reusing them for the new part. And just like that, we've got the old one out. Wow, look how worn out it is. You can see right off the bat, this is the old one that I just removed. It's got some really heavy gouging into the little plastic arm here on both sides. And this is super loose on it. You can almost, with no effort, slide it back across. Once it gets on each lock or stop, it just kind of wiggles around. The new one is nice and clean. Doesn't have any play at all in it. The mechanism is really good condition in this one here. This is actually, to be honest, a used one out of a really low mileage car that was almost never used. All right, so let's put the new one in. Just like we removed the first one, you're just gonna feed this one right through the door. Let's go ahead and take that bolt and bolt to the body. Just finger tight first. Get it started. Take your time, carefully line these up, make sure that you don't cross thread them. They should go in by hand and run all the way down, and then you can just tighten them down with your ratchet.
They're already holding themselves up.
Is it? Oh, yes, it is.
It's already holding itself.
Make sure you torque these down to the manufacturer's suggested torque spec. Now before we test it, since I've got my speaker hanging here, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. Actually, look, it's holding the door now. Does a pretty good job.
No more shit splinters or...
Well, now I don't have to open the door 15 times every time I'm trying to put stuff in the car. It was very annoying. All right, we're gonna put the door panel back on, but hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, let us know in the comments. We'll see you in the next one. Look at that.